Hi Capricorn, welcome to Omkara Tarot, and let's do a small love bite for you. Your longer readings were just posted. In case you missed them, I'll leave a link at the end of the video. This is just a really small one to see what the trend is now. I call it a little love bite. I hope you enjoy it. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, leave the rest. So these are just going to be 3 cards each, just to see what the trend is now. And also, I apologize to some of you who reached out and I haven't been able to offer you private readings. I was totally overbooked, but now my schedule is a bit open. You can mail me at omkaratarot@gmail.com. It's in the description box below as well. And yes, 6 of Swords. Wow, moving away from troubled times. Excellent card. Let's see what you're moving away from, Capricorn. Judgment, fresh new life. Page of Cups, apology. Wanting to work together. 4 of Swords. Hanged Man and the King of Pentacles in the upright. 2 of Cups, Tower, and the 9 of Wands. So Capricorn, what's happening here? Somebody is wanting to re-begin something, that's for sure. There has been no working together for some time, it seems, but somebody is trying to manifest something that can bring 2 people back together. There's been a tower moment which somebody has been holding on to, and they know that this upheaval came because of them, and it's whose fault it was and why all this happened. And they are really trying to now hold on and try and get rid of all this stress and pain and tension and heartbreak that was caused because of this tower moment falling. They are now wanting to come back with a little apology, sorry, because things have really slowed down. There's no passion left in the relationship. But this person here, I think who's the masculine here, is wanting now to man up, brave up, and wants to put in the work now, wants to bring some balance back into this relationship. They are trying very hard to find their courage now to bring in this apology, to say, hey, can we work together again? So what's this 3 of Pentacles, Spirit? What do they want to work on? They've been feeling very embarrassed at what they've done. They want to shut this chapter down of whatever happened, and they want to come together now in a fresh new way to re-begin things with you. I think, I don't know, Capricorn, if this is you or this is your masculine, but somebody's been feeling miserable, and they are wanting to come to you. What's this 4 of Swords in reverse, Spirit? I think there's been a lot of quiet time between the 2 of you, separately of course. But people are wanting to come out of this mode now, of always being, too many cards, Spirit. 1 card please, for the 4 of Swords. Yeah, now this isolation is now getting onto somebody's nerves now, and wanting to return, wanting to come out of this hanged man space that they have found themselves in. Yeah, wanting to have equal give and take, have reciprocity in this relationship, still, wanting this person from their past, maybe wanting to return or manifesting their person back, who they have a lot of sweet memories with. So who's this King of Pentacles, Spirit? This Queen is not very happy. This feminine energy is not very happy with this masculine, who is now coming across in a good way actually, but in the past maybe this masculine was very immature in his emotions or whatever, made this feminine feel very unloved, and she took away her love from this person, which led to 2 people who should have been in love to not have it, because communication probably came to a stop. The feeling of not being loved or the love dwindling, which brought this 10 of Cups to be in reverse. Okay, so love was lost here. This wish fulfillment of happiness came to a stop, and this was like a tower moment in both your lives, Capricorn. Now, and both people are now very defensive, okay? Or one person is very defensive and the other person is wanting to fight for it, maybe. So let's see what was this tower moment, Spirit? Death in reverse. Okay. What is this tower moment, Spirit? Yeah, this masculine, I think, was very immature in his communication. Said things maybe that he shouldn't have. There were mean words exchanged, yet not letting go. But oh my God, Two of Cups in reverse and Two of Cups in reverse. So this was like a big tower moment of whatever happened, and it's weakened this masculine's position here totally because of his communication, right? This was very mean communication which was brought forward, and now I think the feminine is very guarded here. Nine of Wands, Spirit. What's this Nine of Wands? Yes, the feminine is shut off. She has gone within. She's gone silent. She's no longer wanting to communicate with this masculine. She's not interested in a fresh beginning, not accepting any offer, okay? And she wants to be happy now, okay? She just wants to go towards her happiness. And maybe that's what this card was, leaving troubled times behind and moving to calmer waters. No longer wanting to look back and, at all that was spilt and be sad and upset any longer. And I have this card again, Six of Swords, moving away from troubled waters and moving on away to peaceful times. So Spirit, is it together or is it separately? I think the Queen has found self-love for the time being. She's going to nurture herself. She's concentrated on her own pentacles and on her own life. She's wanting to heal and give herself some self-love, and she's dropping this all together right now till justice is brought back into this equation, and this Knight can become the Emperor and match her, right? She doesn't want to be in a stressed place where she's upset and sad all the time, and she wants to see if this masculine is going to put in any investment now. Till then, I think there's going to be isolation. She's not going to open up that easy, and she's kind of dropping, all this confusion totally, and she's moving on to a fresh, passionate beginning for herself. So that's all I have for you, Capricorn. Let's see what happens next week. Till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste to all of you.